show you how fierce the tide is running. So,
oh yeah,
ex-special boat service. It does look uncannily like that guy off the telly, actually. Oh, yeah. That keeps doing those SAS training things.
The really handsome one.
The really handsome one.
Yeah, that's
right. Anyway, what's the plan then? We're nearly at turn of tide.
We're nearly at top of the tide. So we've just turned the engine on, getting the sort of pressures, temperatures all good. Checking with a quick safety briefing when we're all ready to go, and then we'll start breaking away. I reckon maybe another 15 minutes, which should be good. Punch the last bit of the tide down, and yeah, I reckon by the time we get to Hammersmith, we should be with the tide. Goal today is down at we're going to berth at Gravesend Town Pier.
Okay, gold or bronze?
Well, that's gold. That's gold. That's really where we want to be. Anywhere else we've gone wrong.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got berth booked there on the outside of the town pier there. So we'll spend a few hours there, wait for the next tide, and then we're going to overnight round onto the Swale. Yeah, see where we end up from there.
Okay, right. Anything to add, Peter, the engineer?
I'm going to sit down and relax.
And quite right too. Yeah. And
I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, it should be fun.
excellent. Well, that's not as terrified as normal.
Excellent haul, by the way. Landed a proper horn. Very nice.
I think it cost me all of £7 on eBay.
Really?
Plastic truck horn for people, custom car fans.
Yeah.
Is that flat out, by the way?
We have to go faster than the wind.
Well, she's never spoke like that before, but mind you, it's never been this high revving before. Don't worry. That's right.
The engineer says don't worry, we'll carry on. Air draft marker for Hammersmith Bridge.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically reverse tidal gauge.
Right.
So it shows you the headroom clearance under the bridge.
4. Is it just over 4?
Yeah, 410 I think, something like that.
So that's your air draft above.
So yeah, it's 4
Between water and
10.
bridge.
Yeah, between
410.
the water and the bridge, yeah.
Yeah, we wouldn't have made it. We'd have probably had the top 10 centimetres off the mast.
And if you're coming the other way, the old Harrods depository, that's where the gauge is on.
Okay.
So PLA have been doing lots of work on their charts recently. It's on the PLA charts. It's mentioned in the book.
Is it?
It's, it might be mentioned somewhere, but it might not be actually written on a chart.
Somewhere.
The Tidal Thames Cruising Club's quite a good association to be in. I think it's free, and it gives you all the sort of like recreation information for users, like the Thames bylaws that should be associated with like barrier passages. You know, you get a good sort of chart length. You get the new tide book every year, tide timetable. It's just a good little resource for telephone numbers, moorings, that sort of stuff.
The Dog Pier and the Dove, which is a great pub, is right behind that, which is fabulous. We'll bring round past the Rutland Arms and the Blue Anchor. Advertising this for a pub called in any way, shape or form, to Hammersmith Bridge, which is a beautiful bridge. But unfortunately it's made of cast iron and it's had some cracks found on it. So it is now shut, I believe, for road traffic. It was shut for water traffic, but it's not shut anymore. So we just hold our breath as we go under it. But it is a beautiful bridge. So that's Art Deco. It's a nice bit of Harrods furniture depository. Fulham fans passing the mighty Fulham FC, now Premier League, for one season. Maybe more. I won't give you my football prediction. outside space, which is kind of, I'm liking that, including the silver stealth barge. I don't know how much these moorings are, but I wouldn't like you to guess thousands and thousands of pounds. Really lovely boats.
A lot prettier than one.
Moorings here, so they're probably a main affiliation with churches and have not moved for some time. That sort of, that pram arc there, that little one on the outside, looks like it's seen much better days.
But it's a nice looking building coming up to Battersea Bridge. Lock gates there, hidden barge paradise. Quite a few boats in there on the wharf. The Albert Bridge. This is a very pretty bridge.
6.5 now.
Battersea Park, and behind that is, I don't know, that iconic building which is Battersea Power Station. It's one of my favourite buildings in all of London. Probably the second album I ever bought. I won't tell you what the first one was, it's too embarrassing, but Pink Floyd Animals with a big pink pig flying between the chimneys. It's still got all the electric dials and stuff in the roof of that building, which I think is going to be made public, going to be made sort of for public entry, and I must go and see it because it's absolutely fascinating, beautiful at the very top. Absolutely fantastic building made of brick. It's just incredible. I do love a brick building, but wow, check it out. I would dearly love a flat there. Battersea Power Station. Iconic. The Pink Floyd fans all over the world. And I just love the building. Just great. I bet it was an absolute pig when it was a proper power station fired by coal brought into these birds and belching smoke all over London. But I just love the building. Strippers playing with the big boys now. I think it's MI6 building there. Just see the shard in the distance that somebody climbed yesterday, apparently. Good luck to them. Down the bridge, we're looking at the Mother of Parliament, the London Eye.
WTS, Neeltje, good afternoon. Just for your information, we're a 55-foot motor barge, Lambeth, outbound for Gravesend, 4 persons on.
folks, coming to London, you better do that.
Does he know you?
Yeah. Hey up.
Hey up. There's Nathan's workmates on the Thames Rockets.
Cleopatra's Needle, the oldest monument in London, three and a bit thousand years old.
Okay.
And it was gifted to us, but it took 70 years to raise the money to get it over here. And Queen Victoria didn't like the sphinxes the correct way round, so actually the sphinxes are the wrong way round. They're meant to be outward looking out for danger.
Yeah.
But Victoria didn't like that, so she insisted that they went that way round.
And another fascinating fact, it has shrapnel damage from World War II bombs.
We're going to have a trivia off, I can
Yeah,
see.
trivia off. London trivia off.
Right, Waterloo Bridge, the ladies' bridge, so called because it was built by women during the war. It's the only bridge on the Thames to come in under budget and on time and to clean itself. It's made with special concrete that when it rains it cleans itself.
Fantastic.
It's a triple threat for the ladies, that. No, I wouldn't go that far.
It would be a cleaner place if they did.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, surely it's about time you put the kettle on, Caroline, and got us a sausage roll.
HQS Wellington over there, HQS headquarters ship. It's the headquarters for the Master Mariners Association, so captains, admirals, all that sort of stuff.
Right.
And that's their special club. And it was a submarine hunter during the war. And after the war, it was turned into a school, and they used to actually go up and down the Thames doing classes for kids. And legend has it, it's also where Strictly Come Dancing was invented, because in the war, the crew would dress up in gowns and dinner jackets to trick enemy ships, thinking it was a cruise ship, but actually she was hunting for submarines.
Alright, okay. Yeah, but mind you, I heard that about sailors anyway. Pretty much. Fantastic view of St. Paul's.
Also bought it, the architect put the OXO, which definitely doesn't say OXO. It was illegal, and I think still is, to advertise on the Thames when they put the OXO in. So the Port of London authorities took it to court, and the architect argued that it doesn't say OXO, it's just randomly assigned geometric shapes, and they won. Blackfriars Bridge, on this side on the pillars at the top is herons, signifying fresh water, and on the opposite side it's gulls, signifying seawater. Victorians believe that this is the point where fresh water and seawater mixed.
Okay. Well, I think you're winning the trivia off, I tell you. So what are these pillars here?
So that's the original Blackfriars Railway Bridge.
Okay.
They built this bridge, then decided to take the old bridge down, but then realised if they took the pillars out, this bridge would collapse.
Keep them in then.
Keep them in. So this is the Tate.
Yes,
Do you want to tell us about the Tate Modern
Peter.
Not in public.
This is another great place to go. I just love this building. It's just an old power station, huge turbine hall, and again made out of bricks. It's fantastic. Stand at the bottom of that and look at the workmanship that went into it. The bricks just go up in absolutely straight lines. Just incredible. And so it was a great place to go. Take modern, if you like modern art or not, I don't know, you guys either like it or you can laugh at it, but it's still a good place to go. And there's a great bar at the top. This is the incredible wobbling bridge, that now doesn't wobble. I think actually it's a bit of a shame that. I'd have kept it wobbling.
Cost more to fix than to build.
Okay, that's good.
And the architect that built it blamed Londoners for the way they walk. That's why it wobbles apparently.
Yeah. Okay.
Did wobble.
Doesn't wobble anymore. The Anchor.
Anchor is supposedly the oldest pub in London.
Alright.
It's where Samuel Pepys wrote his diaries from, and where Shakespeare's acting company got changed by a dog.
And the Banker.
I don't know anything about the Banker, it's just a really great play on names, isn't it? There is, however, if you keep your eyes peeled, and depending on how good your zoom is, just under the bridge on the downstream side, there's a sauna.
Okay.
There's a little spa with a sauna, and you can have some interesting views from there.
Okay, from the river.
Got the Golden Hind, St Mary over his dock.
Oh, it looks like it's under repair. They didn't build them to last, did they?
No.
Oh my god. Coming up to Tower Bridge past HMS Belfast.
Foundations for all of the London bridges are still there, so it always chops up here, especially on the ebbing tide. Yeah, so the gap there reminds me of where the original London Bridge stood.
Quite choppy. Quite a few waves here. Gravesend pontoon. And that is the Gravesend Tilbury ferry. So I'm just trying to stay out of their way for the time being.
Which end do you want to go, Nathan?
I think let's go to the top end here.
Wow,
Oh, that's nice.
a murmuration of starlings above the lightship. Oh, Gravesend has it all, I tell you. Not only does it have the best goat curry, it has a murmuration of starlings.